of all, I want to wish all the Indians a very happy Independence Day. So, so today, as it is the Independence Day, I wanted to recreate the. I wanted to do our national flag inspired makeup look. So, as you all know, our national flag has three colors: sapphire, white, and green. So, sapphire for sacrifice, white for peace, and green for prosperity or youth. So today I'm just going to recreate that on my eyes. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna apply a little bit of moisturizer. I'm using the Boro Plus moisturizer. Next I'm going to use Nivea as my primer as always. Now I'm using the Blue Heaven foundation. All of the products links are in the description. You can go check them out. So I'm going to blend my foundation with my fingers because I find blending with the fingers is much easier than blending with a blending tool, you know. So then I'm going to take this Olivia makeup stick and I'm going to put that on my under eyes because my under eyes are literally the darkest thing in the whole entire world. So then I'm going to take this Blue Heaven Burly Compact Powder and I'm going to just put that on my eyes and just set everything. So now I'm going to take this palette from Kiss Beauty. I'm going to take this orange shade and put that on the inner corner of my eyes. Just like that, like so. So then I'm going to take this green shade and put that on the crease of my eye and just blend that inwards. So now I'm going to take this white shade, I'm going to put it on the middle just like that, and after putting that I'm just going to blend the orange and green eyeshadows like that to make it look much more nicer. So the both eyes are done. I'm going to take this mascara and I'm going to just put that, and I have accident over here. I just fixed it, but it doesn't look that good, but whatever. So I'm going to take this palette. I'm going to just take this peachy type of shade, peachy pinkish type of shade. I'm going to just put that, but it doesn't really work. So I'm going to take this blush, this pinkish type of blush. I'm going to put that right on my cheekbones, a little bit on this cheek as well, and a little bit on my nose. So now for the lip, I'm taking this red lipstick that I just randomly found.
जो खून गिरा पर्वत पर वो खून था हिंदुस्तान, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। थी खून से लथपथ काया, फिर भी बंदूक उठा
the final look. I think it turned out really, really, really nice. See this? It looks really nice. At least for me, I think it's really nice. And I created this thing as well with the eyeshadow. I'm really obsessed with this eyeshadow look. It's so beautiful. I love it. And this is like a simple white earring, and this is a kurti, and in Bengali it's orna, and in Hindi it's dupatta. So I have a orange dupatta and white kurti. Please let me know how this makeup look turned out. I think it turned out really nice. And so if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment me down below anything about this video or some videos that I can make in the future. And a very, very happy Independence Day to all of you. Bye bye, I'll see you later.